Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to make a hot air balloon. I thought that would be something cute to cheer me up because it's raining out again. So let's take a look at what we need. We need paper. Always need paper. A toilet paper tube or a paper towel tube. Anything you can find, or you could even make your own by rolling a piece of paper. That would be fine too. Pencil, scissors, some glue, string, and some tape. All right, let's get started. So I first started by drawing the shape on my paper that I will need for the balloon part of the hot air balloon. It's just a like a light bulb shape. So I drew it on my paper, and then remember, if you stack up all that you need, you can cut one time and have as many as you need. Now you need 5. So I drew it on one and put 5 papers down. So now I have all 5 of my balloon parts for this activity. Now, the first thing you need to do for this is take your balloons and you're going to fold them in half the tall way. And you'll know this is right because when you close it up, there's no extra parts sticking out. It's symmetrical. So I'm just going to fold each of them in half. We will be using just a little bit of glue stick to form our balloon. So what we're going to do is glue these parts. We're going to glue these parts here together all the way around until it looks like a balloon. So I will get started. I'll put the glue on the outside, not the inside, the outside of the folded part. And then I take the outside of another balloon and stick it right on top there, like that. So that it looks like this. Okay, now I will do the same thing. We're getting there. So then I will do it again right here. Alright, we're getting there. Now, one left. What we're going to do with the one is it's sort of like the door. We're going to close it up here. Before we close it up, we're going to take our long string that we're going to use to hang it. We're going to put it right inside the crease, like that. And just set it down in there. It's going to hang out of the top of the balloon, not out of the bottom. And then we will be putting glue on both sides of this piece, outside of both sides of this one. And just fitting it right in there on top of that string. And that is going to hold the string in place and it's going to close up your balloon. Perfect. So we have part of our balloon. Just need to hold that in there tight, a little bit tighter. Make sure that stays. Alright, the next part is the basket on the bottom. Looks like this. All I did was cut a piece of the roll and then I used 2 little baby pieces of string. They don't need to be very long at all. So here is my little basket, and all I did to decorate it was find some old scraps that I had from a different project, and I just cut off little pieces to decorate it. Very simple. Maybe put another little piece right here with a different color. How about blue? I like this color blue. It's a very happy color. So while I'm waiting for the glue, we are going to get our 2 little pieces of string ready. And they don't need to be very long. And we're going to use tape for this part of it because it's just easier to tape string than it is to glue it. So with the tape, the easiest thing to do is put the tape on the string and then stick it to the inside of the tube. And then I'm going to go directly across on the other side. Do the same thing. Now I have my basket with the 2 little strings. Now all I have left to do is attach the basket to the balloon. I'm going to do that with tape also. So just a little bit of tape here on one side. Put it on the, if you put it on the tape first, it's easier. So pick a spot to glue it. I will take the other string and tape it across the balloon on the other side so that it hangs evenly. And we are just about done. Get every little piece, another little squeeze. Make sure we're stuck in there. And there is our hot air balloon.